So we'll continue with it. So what he says over there, by any means, if there is insufficient amount of this salt is there in your body, it causes defective nutrition, imperfect cell growth, and consequent decay and destruction of the tissue, especially the osseous and glandular system. So this remedy is very useful in the development and growth. So number of times in cases where there is you can find out the rickets, the bowing of the bones happens to be there. This remedy plays a very vital role. Number of times you get cases of osteoporosis. You take X-rays of the patient, and the doctor says that he is having lot of less calcium in the body, and they provides lot of calcium. And even after giving calcium, the osteoporosis remains as it is. Calcarea phos plays a very vital role in order to recover from that state. So any bony abnormality, any bony disorder, one must think about this remedy. Whenever growth is hampered, think of calcarea phos. I generally blindly give with all the patients who comes for height problem, calcarea phos till the age of 18, not above 18. So till the ossification centers are open, till that period you can give a remedy. So this is a remedy which one should not forget in the along with the constitutional, especially osseous and glandular system. It is of use during dentition. See, this is again a very important thing. This remedy plays very vital role in dentitional problems and proper dentition. Then, for convulsions and spasms occurring in a weak scrofulous subject stimulating the nutrition. So, it is a good remedy for convulsions, epilepsy, spasms occurring in a weak scrofulous subjects. Scrofulous means glandular affections. Wherever the glands gets affected, as being a tubercular remedy, a glandular affection is quite common. So scrofulous subjects, which and this is good for stimulating the nutrition. Number of patients comes, डॉक्टर भूख लागत नहीं, हा खातो पण तब्येत व्यवस्थित होत नाही. This is one more remedy along with your natrum, along with your alfalfa. This is good remedy. It is very good to stimulate the nutritional process. Another important feature is its restorative power after acute diseases, either directly or preparing the way for other remedies by stimulating the system to their action, thus becoming an important intercurrent remedy. Underline this sentence. Whenever a patient recovers from the acute disease, in order to give him a strength during that time, one should not forget calcarea phos. This is a very good remedy which stimulates nutritional process, which stimulates which removes the weakness and which gives a lot of strength to the patient. Schussler, recognizing the origin of RBC, red blood globules, in the white or in the embryonic ones, and crediting this drug with a nutritive stimulation of the white globules, claims it promotes the formation of red globules indirectly by promoting that of white globules. So this is the remedy which is not only useful for the development of WBCs, but it is very important remedy for development of RBCs. That means it is a very important remedy in the formation of a hemoglobin. Practically, this drug proves itself a real tonic in many cases. See, underline these things. These things one should not forget. These are of most practical value in day-to-day practice. The real tonic in many cases. In chronic wasting diseases, where are the wasting diseases? The tuberculosis or any chronic disorder, sometimes even in long-standing malnutrition, even in sometimes even for the malignancies or recovery after malignancy, this remedy plays a very vital role. In chronic wasting diseases and hectic, when the phosphate is found in excess in the urine, म्हणजेच काय phosphaturia आहे. So phosphate is not getting absorbed. If phosphate is not getting absorbed, there is a growth is hampered. Phosphate is one of the important ingredient of your body, and which is very important necessary in organic soil. Generally, it has been claimed that you should take a jaggery instead of a sugar, because jaggery contains the phosphorus which is lacked in the sugar, and that's why this phosphorus plays a very vital role in the development. So whenever there is phosphaturia, phosphate is passing in the urine, it is thrown away, which is not getting absorbed in the system. Calcarea phos plays a very vital role. Thus, corresponding to the faulty secondary assimilation and to faulty workings of the excretory organs, this remedy plays very vital role. So one should not forget all those things. Then in anemia, we'll go ahead. In anemia of young, rapidly growing people, this is very important remedy. So number of females comes to you, and they consumes lot of iron and they are not getting recovered. Anemia remains as it is. You have बऱ्याच वेळेला पेशंट्स येतात, number of times you get the patient, and those patients again and again complaints one thing, doctor एवढे औषध घेतले पण रक्त काही वाढत नाही. I have consumed lot of medicines, but my blood remains to be at the same level, 8 or 9. This remedy plays very vital role. In women weakened by rapid childbearing, so like sepia, this is again a tubercular remedy. Rapid childbearing. What is that? What? Rapid childbearing, sepia, like continuous one by one, again and again, childbearing, number of deliveries. Think of, in order to build a constitution, Calcarea first plays a role. Prolonged suckling or excessive menstruation or leukorrhea. See, female complaints. This remedy plays very vital role in order to give the strength to, in accompanying diseases with exhaustive discharges, as in chronic bronchitis, tubercular diarrhea. See, tuberculosis, tubercular miasm plays very vital role. Chronic bronchitis, tubercular diarrhea, and night sweats. Night sweats is the common entity which happens to be there in tuberculosis. Abscesses and scrofulous sores. Abscess formation, pus formation, and scrofulous sores. So there are eruptions followed by enlargement of the glands. Through its great power on the secretions, it acts curatively. So see the wide action of the Calcarea phos. It plays very vital role in development or formation of blood cells, formation of tissues, formation of bony cells. It plays very vital role in giving the strength to the persons, especially in cases of females, rapidly growing people where there is anemia, rapid childbearing, having a tremendous weakness, prolonged sucklings, producing a weakness, excessive menstruation, and leukorrhea, producing the weakness. So it is a remedy which has a wider action than the Calcarea fluor. In Calcarea fluor, it is very specific at a local special level. This remedy is having a wider scope, and this one should not forget. This one must learn. In old age, where the regenerative function decreases in the nervous tissue, Calcarea phos is well indicated, and we find it useful in senile, cutaneous, and vaginal itching, as well as during convulsions from the severe acute diseases. See, this is too important. Where it is useful in old age, senile cases, where there is a Calcarea phos is well indicated, where there is a nervous decreases in the nervous tissue, Calcarea phos plays a role. Where there is a weakness in the bones, it plays vital role. And we find it useful in senile, cutaneous, and vaginal itching. Senile means old age, cutaneous, skin element, and vaginal itching. It happens to be there in the irritation in the vagina, as well as during convulsions from severe acute disease. Convulsions म्हणजे काय, recovery period. So to come out from that place, from the recovery, from the disease state to the cured place. This remedy plays a very vital role. It gives the strength to the patient. In tuberculosis pulmonum, with its emaciation, night sweats, hemoptysis, and other marked physical symptoms, Calcarea fos in low potencies holds out great promise to ameliorate the severity of the case. See, tuberculosis very important remedy. With its emaciation, there is emaciation, night sweats, typical features of tuberculosis, hemoptysis, which is also there, and other marked physical symptoms. Calcarea flaws in low potencies, used in 6x, 3x, 12x, these are the potency, holds out great promise to ameliorate the severity of the case. Equally great is its benefit in pollutions of young married men and sexual excitement of the women and onanist. So this is very important remedy which acts at the sexual sphere. Pollutions म्हणजे seminal emissions. So generally, if it after marriage, pollution should not happen. But if it is still happening, this is one of the important remedy. And number of patients comes to you. They say that there is lot of weakness, and weakness is because they have night falls. And this remedy is very important remedy to be utilized. And sexual excitement of the woman, as well as onanist. Onanist means sexual who used to think sexually and masturbates in the osseous expansion of rachitic children. So, rickets, where there is a expansion of a bones becomes brittle, weak. Treasure uses cedar internally and externally and gives at the same time a calcarea fos and calcarea fluor. Treasure was the one of the person who used to practice homeopathy along with a naturopath. He was a naturopath and he used to use cedar. Cedar means it is a what you can say ऍपल पासून बनवली जाणारी एक प्रकारची दारू असते ती सिडर and he used to use to apply it on the bones internally as well as externally, which considers to be a stimulant for the uh, or which has a rich in calcium, so gives at the same time calcarea fos and calcarea fluor. This is also his favorite treatment in chlorosis, so he used to give it in anemia also, cedar way, and 3 times a day about 10 grains of the second trituration of calcarea fos, and he prefers it by far to the usual iron treatment. In Korea, during puberty, the salts of lime quiet our patients far better than remedies usually recommended. Chorea means involuntary movements of the muscles or single muscles or group of muscles. And this remedy or involuntary movement of the organs, this remedy is a very important remedy. You can directly use specifically at the age of puberty if the chorea develops. One should not forget this remedy. So see, this is the very important action which he is explaining, and these are all clinical hints in your practice. One should not forget all those hints. These are very, very, very important things. One should not forget. Pains where bones form sutures or symphysis and numb, growling pains with chilliness due to anemic symptoms. Pains where bones form sutures. Sutures कुठं असतात? जनरली स्काल्पवर, स्कलवर वरती भांग पाडतो आपण. पेशंट सांगताना सांगतो, डॉक्टर मला जिथं भांग पडतो तिथं दुखतं, बरोबर मध्ये असं दुखतं. So you'll find it out. This is the symptom which you can get it in your Matra Medica also, that there is a pain, headache along the sutures over there. So this is very important remedy. Symphysis is joining of two bones, symphysis pubis. This is a good remedy when patient complains of specifically at that level, the pains are there where there is a union. And numb crawling pains with chilliness due to the anemic symptom, worse from weight. So weight, it gets aggravated. Tendency to perspiration, there is a tendency to perspire a lot, that is a tubercular feature, and a glandular enlargement. So these are very typical tubercular miasmatic feature which you can get in calcarea fos. Sensations mostly in small spots. So this is again a remedy like oxalic acid, pain in spots, or calibicromicum, pain in spots. Phosphatic diathesis. So this is because phos- phosphatic diathesis, which indicates a tubercular diathesis, specifically where there is a lack of vital heat, there is a weakness, there is a loss of strength, glandular affections. This is very typical phosphatic diathesis. General lack of vital heat and aggravation from the weight, these are two important features which one must consider. If the molecular motion of the calcareous is disturbed within the epithelial cells of serous membrane, a seroalbuminous exudation within the sac takes place. See, this is too important. If molecular motion of calcareous is disturbed within the epithelial cells of the serous membrane, what happens? A seroalbuminous exudation within the sac takes place. So there is an exudation. What it contains? Exudation of protein-rich fluid which comes over there. It is serous fluid. So if joint is swollen with a lot of um, collection over there in that joint, one must think of the calcarea first. It absorbs that very clearly. Seroalbuminous exudation within the sac takes place. In this way, develop hydrops genu. What is hydrops genu? It is nothing but the exudation generally happens in knee and other joints. So this is the accumulation of fluid inside the bone and which develops over there as a swelling and it becomes painful. And in allopathic system of medicine, what do? They taps that fluid. We have remedies which absorb that fluid. If it is associated with the serous membranes, bryonia along with the calcarea flows plays very vital role in such types of hygroma pateli. Hygroma pateli, what is that? It is again a patellar. Around the patella, there is serous membrane, and that there is a lot of accumulation of a fluid, and it joint is swollen, and it looks like a big swollen fluid along with a lot of fluid inside the joint. It is a effusion, which we call it as a effusion. Calcarea floss plays very vital role in such types of effusions. So joint effusions, because of degeneration, because of torn, because of injury, and effusion is there, calcarea floss plays a very vital role. I used to prescribe number of times calcarea floss and calcarea fluid in the form of a biocombination 26, and the number of patient recovers completely. I had treated uh, the meniscus injuries with the help of this, even anterior cruciate ligament tear with the help of this remedy, where there is a effusion inside joint. I used to use 26 along with whatever remedy happens to be there, along with arnica or and whatever patient's constitutional, but it recovers and no surgery is required for that. It works, it heals with the help of homeopathic medicine. Minute doses of calcarea phos will absorb these exudations. So this is very important that you give the calcarea phos in biochemical doses and it recovers the patient completely. See, this is a clinical application and this clinical application helps in your practice a lot. Now, last slide, I think so, maybe. If the cells of the epidermis have lost calcarea phos, समजा the epidermisच्या लेवलच्या स्किन मधलं calcarea phos कमी झालं, albumin will be thrown upon the surface and by drying forms a crust, a desquamation of which can be brought about therapeutically by administering calcarea phos. So there is lot of deposition, scaly roughness which happens over there. Similar albuminous secretions takes place on mucous surfaces if their epithelium is diseased through the loss of calcarea phos. So it happens at the skin as well as mucous membrane, and this exudation on the surfaces produces a typical crust formations over there. Spasms and pains caused by the anemia are cured by this remedy. So anemia itself is responsible to produce a pain because not having the strength properly, the pain is the result, the spasm is the result. These pains are accompanied by formication, sensation of coldness and numbness. So patient says that there is a formication, a numb feeling, benumb sensation. This is very typical with the calcarea. Often serviceable where the symptom seems to call for lime or phosphorus, combining as it does the alterative or nourishing properties of lime and the nutritive and stimulating properties of phosphorus. See, this is very important remedy for as a tonic or nourishment, and this is good nutritional remedy for the children. So this is what he has explained regarding the calcareous, and while explaining the calcareous, lot of clinical entities which are discovered, explained by him, and which are I have treated in my day-to-day practice quite commonly with the help of this remedy. Now, last slide. Every time I'm discussing a biocombination 26, biocombination 26, what exactly is biocombination 26? So that slide I'm going to show with you, discuss with you, and then we'll conclude the session. So biocombination 26 is nothing but the easy perturbation. This is the name given by WHO. But if you go with the contents, it contains the Calcarea fluor, 6X potency, degenerative pathology and vascular affections which are covered under it. It contains MACPOS 6, which covers the spasms and veins. The Calcarea phos 6X, it is good for regeneration as well as remodeling. Califos 6X, a good homeopathic tranquilizer. We're going to learn the MACPOS and Califos in future, and that's why I will not going to discuss regarding those. But we have learned since yesterday the Calcarea pure as well as Calcarea phos. So both remedies, which are degenerative as well as regenerative remedies, which are there in the 26. So logically, if you go with these contents, you can think about that. This combination is very useful in all types of degenerative, bony and muscular pathologies, such as osteoarthritis, cervical and lumbar spondylosis, very commonly, even in avascular necrosis of femoral head. So this is Dr. Rasa's thoughts, philosophy behind that, but which is very useful in my practice, and I used to use it since long time with a successful result. And that's why I have shared this one more slide with all of you. So this is what we have learned regarding the biochemic system. Two remedies we have finished. Earlier we have finished the Calcarea pure. Today we have finished Calcarea sul. Tomorrow we'll consider again a part of it, theoretical part of it, and followed by a Calcarea sul, third remedy from the Calcarea family. So I think this is sufficient to be shared with you. Thank you very much being there patiently since long time. Uh, if you have any question, just send me your reply. There are very few replies in the groups or very few replies personally also regarding the biochemic system of medicine. But my suggestion is that you must go through it. It is very important part in your practice, and which is giving you volume in your future practice as a bulk. And that's why I suggest everyone must learn all those things. Tomorrow we'll meet at the same time with next remedical carousel. Till that period, thank you very much, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Now I will ask Vinod to conclude the session because I have
लवकर संपणार झाली.
lot of patients today. Since morning I was working with patients, and to evening I called them at 3:30. So no time for discussions today. So we'll conclude the meeting and we'll meet tomorrow at the 2:30. Thanks a lot. Okay.